Hello viewers, welcome to VrushuRaj classes YouTube channel. We all know there are many achievements in the field of science and especially in the medical field. And one of the greatest achievement we can say is vaccine. Yes, vaccine plays a very important role in each and every person's life. It protects us from many harmful diseases. So what exactly is this vaccine? How it is prepared and what role it plays in our body? Once the vaccine is injected in our body, how it protects us from that particular disease from the whole life. So all about the vaccine we are going to study in this video. So I'm going to explain what exactly is vaccine, how it is prepared, and once it is injected in our body, how that vaccine, it protects our body from harmful diseases. So the very first question, what is vaccine? Vaccine is nothing but a small amount of medicine which is injected in our body and it trains our immune system. Means it makes our immune system strong, ready to face the different types of diseases and protects our body from particular target diseases. Means for what particular disease the vaccine is injected, it protects our body from that disease. So in short, we can say vaccine is nothing but a small amount of medicine which is injected in our body and protects our body from different harmful diseases. Okay, now the next question, how exactly is this vaccine prepared? Okay, that small amount of medicine which plays miraculous role in our body. So how it is exactly prepared? Actually, preparation of vaccine is not at all easy process. It is challenging process, yes, and a bit time consuming, a lengthy process. First of all, for what particular disease we have to prepare the vaccine. Then we have to study the perfect cause of that disease, means which microorganism is responsible for that particular disease. Once we come to know the microorganism responsible for that particular disease, then we can say the life cycle of that microorganism is studied. Means how exactly is that microorganism, how it behaves outside, how it behaves once it enters our body. This everything is studied properly. So once we come to know that which microorganism is our target microorganism, then that particular microorganism is grown in laboratory. Yes, it is cultivated in laboratory. Then later, those microorganisms are half killed, or we can say they are weakened or paralyzed. Yes, and after they are paralyzed and weakened, then only the essential part from that microorganism is extracted to make the vaccine. Once we get the essential part to prepare vaccine, a particular preservative, because vaccine, we have to preserve it at least for a certain period of time. So for that preservation, we add some certain preservatives and the vaccine is ready for particular disease. Now once the vaccine is ready, it is injected at particular time in our body. Most of the vaccines are given in childhood itself, which protects us from those particular disease for the entire life. Okay, now once the vaccine is injected, how this small amount of medicine protects us from that particular disease? See, what are vaccines? I told you, they are nothing but the half-killed microorganisms which are responsible for that particular disease. So once they are injected, those microorganisms trains our immune system. So our immune system comes to know how exactly these microorganisms are going to behave. They come to know their action, reaction. So they are ready to fight against that microorganism. See, it's said, if we know how the enemy is going to attack us, if we know all the steps of our enemy, we can easily defeat the enemy because we know what steps that enemy is going to take. Same thing happens with the vaccine. So when the microorganism attacks our body, when the particular microorganism enters our body already knows that how that microorganism is going to attack, how that microorganism is going to harm, and so our body fight against those microorganisms, defeats them, and protects our body from the particular disease which that microorganism might have caused. So this is how the vaccines play a very, very, very important role in our life. A disease like smallpox is completely eradicated. Means since 1980, we don't find the patients or the people suffering from smallpox. It's completely eradicated. Even the polio is 99% eradicated so far. Yes. So vaccine not only protects but is also helping us to eradicate particular diseases permanently. So we should be really very grateful for the invention of vaccine. Can you tell me a few examples of vaccine? The vaccines are like BCG, hepatitis B, DPT, polio, HIV, MMR, and the latest vaccine, which all of us are familiar with, is COVID-19. So I think all the information regarding vaccine is clear to you. So don't keep this information only up to yourself. Please do share this valuable information to your friends. So my dear students, my dear viewers who are watching this video, don't forget to share this video among your friends. And to get the updates of such useful, interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel, that is VrushuRaj Classes. My dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.